What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the difference between premiere mode against competitive mode. But before we dive into all of that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, okay, let's go to premiere first. Primarily, Premiere serves as a more polished and extravagant option compared to Counter-Strike 2's primary competitive queue mode. So catering to players with a heightened sense of seriousness, right? So it's important to highlight that accessing Premiere requires engaging into other game modes and obtaining Prime status. Okay, so in or having previously acquired the full priced version of CS:GO. So question is, what is the functioning of the Premier ranking system? Okay, Premier employs Counter-Strike 2's innovative CS rating for one, which quantifies a player's skill on a scale from 0 to 35,000, in contrast to the traditional ranking system. And unlike the competitive mode, Premier offers access to various leaderboards showcasing ratings, total wins, and win percentage, and also rank distributions. These leaderboards are categorized as follows for for the meantime. Friends, world like top 1000 players. We also have Africa, Asia, Australia, China, Europe, North America, and South America. Okay, now what about Counter Strike's competitive mode? Basically, it's just often referred as a competitive. It's a popular game mode within the Counter Strike series. So after Premiere, you gotta go here to competitive mode, and in this mode, players are divided into teams, typically terrorists and counter-terrorists, and engage in intense team-based gameplay. So okay, there are different key features of Counter-Strike competitive mode that includes, say for example, one team plays a terrorist who must plant a bomb at a designated site, while the counter-terrorist, must prevent the bomb from being planted or defused if it's planted, right? So matches are played in a series of rounds with each round ending with the one team achieves the objective or one team is eliminated. So teams switch sides after a certain number of rounds, and players earn money for their in-game actions such as skills, round wins, and objectives. They can use this money to purchase weapons, armor, and equipment at the start of each round, okay? And also, Counter Strike's competitive mode is known for its high stakes strategic gameplay where players must work together to achieve victory, and it has a dedicated player base and is a core part of the Counter Strike's experience. If you find, once again, this video helpful, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.